How to change battery icon style or battery style in the status bar on your latest Vivo T4R, T4 Ultra, T4 Pro and any other Vivo devices running the OneTouch OS 15 version. By default, set the vertical battery style on your latest Vivo devices. If you want to change it, just swipe down the notification panel from the tab. Tap on the setting gear icon. Now scroll down until you can see the battery option. Tap on a battery. Now scroll down again. You can find the battery style and percentage option. Tap on it. Now here you can see the list of battery style. Three different options available to change the battery style on your Vivo T4 and any other latest Vivo devices. You can select the horizontal. Now you can see the battery set at the horizontal. You can select the vertical. By default set the vertical. If you want to set the battery style as a circle, select the circle option and you can see the circle in the battery style. So you can easily change the your Vivo T4 series battery style using this setting. Also show or hide the battery percentage. Here you can see the do not display to hide the battery percentage in the status bar or display outside battery percentage in the status bar. So it's quite easy to change the battery style on your latest Vivo T4 Ultra, T4 Pro, T4 and any other Vivo devices. That's it. If you like it, share it. Don't forget to subscribe.